Guys, so today we are going to know about what is the wrapper class. So what is wrapper class? Class that contains only the data members is referred as a wrapper class. Okay, so this wrapper class is used in some other class as a data type. Okay, so this is used for the reusability of code. Okay, so how to refer this in VF page? So in this way we'll give the value attribute. Inside this brackets we'll give the wrapper class name. So let's see some examples for this wrapper class. So first one is write a class contact wrapper with data members, contact and boolean flag. So here we have been provided two data members to include in this class contact wrapper. So first let's create this class. Okay, so I have already typed this class. Let's take this. So this is the wrapper class example. This will only contains data members, so that's why this is called a wrapper class, and this can be used in another class. Okay, so let's take the another class. So first of all we have been done with this class called contact wrapper, and next one is we have to write a class contact cont with the below data members. So here if you observe, inside this list we have taken this previously done class contact wrapper as the data type. Okay, so and this list is given a name called conwrap list. So inside the constructor we have to fetch this all the fields of the contact, and we have to store into a list called conlist. And next one is insert element into a conwrap list by taking contact records. Okay, so these two are the questions. So let's take the another class called contact cont. So now we are going to create another class, and we'll use the wrapper class which was created earlier. So here in this class I'm going to save this first. So now it is saved now. So if you observe here, we have taken the data members as the wrapper class which is in the list, and we have taken the another list of contact which is given a name called selected contacts. So inside the constructor we have allocated the memory for this list, for these two lists. One is wrap list and another one is the contact list. It's named as selected contacts. And next one, inside the constructor we have given the SOQL query for fetching the contact records from contact, and then we have used the for loop to create elements to insert into the conwrap list. Okay, so here inside the for loop we have taken the contact, and here we have added elements to insert into the list. Okay, so first one is the contact, and this one is contact, and this one is the boolean type. So we have added this contact wrapper into this conwrap list. And next method is submit method. So here we have used the condition, so it's a boolean type. So for this contact wrapper we have added this contact wrapper into the selected contacts. Okay, so let's write a VF page to this to display this conwrap list using data table. Okay, so let's write a program for this class to display this in VF page. Okay, let's have a look what I have written on this page. So we have taken controller as the contact con class, and we have taken the sidebar attribute as false, the page component, and then we have taken the form component to wrap all the data inside this form, and then we have taken page block. I have given the title as contacts, and then for submitting the data, have taken command button and have given the action as submit. So I have taken the re-render attribute to display the data when it is checked. Okay, so next one is I have taken the data table. In this I have taken the value as a conwrap list, which was taken in this class called contact cont. Okay, and then I have given the variable frame rule cell padding. So next one is I have included a column for this checkbox. So before the input checkbox I have included a column to include the header value. So I have given the select as the header value, and checkbox, inside the checkbox I have taken the value attribute as cw.flag, and then next I have taken the 3 columns for first name, last name and phone. So here we have to take cw.c for all these fields inside the value attribute. So cw is regarding the contact wrapper and c is regarding the contact. Okay, now next I have included another page block, and inside this I have taken only the selected contacts. So here we have to take the value as c.first name. Likewise the 3 fields are displayed here. So that's it. Let's have a look how this will be displayed. So here we go. So I am selecting the first one. So here we have the 3 fields. See here, if you observe, I have selected the first contact, and after clicking on the submit command button, that contact is only displayed here. So if I select this and click on submit button, so we have got the another contact here. So like this the wrapper class is used. So let's take the next one. So next one is, let's take the another example for this wrapper class. Create a wrapper class with details of employees such as name, phone, email, his experienced, company. So let's create this class. Okay, So here we go, we have created the wrapper class first called employee wrap. So I have saved this. Inside this we have taken the data members as name, email, company, easy experience. It's a flag, it's a boolean type. Okay, so I'm saving this now again. Let's create the main class for this employee wrap. Okay, so we have to create a main class, employee main class, using the above wrapper class and display in the VF page. Okay, let's create the main class. So up to now, so as far as I have taken this inside the main class, I have taken the employee wrapper class as a data member first, and then have taken the list of this employee wrap called empwrap list, and another one is boolean flag as a data member, and inside the constructor have taken the flag as false, and then have taken the value for employee wrap as a new employee wrap, and then we have taken, okay, So we are allocating the memory for this wrap list. Okay, so let's take the another section in this class. So if you check the if is experienced is true, then make the flag true so that the page block section experience details will be enabled dynamically. Okay, let's take the another section in this. So now we have taken the section called enable experience section. Okay, so if ew.e is experienced, so if the employee has experienced, the flag will be displayed as true, else the flag will be displayed as false. So next we will take the another section to add the employee record into the wrapper or into the list of wrapper. Okay, so let's take the submit method as the next section in this class. Okay, so the main class is created. We have included the first we have taken the data members, and then we have initialized these data members. We have allocated the memory, and then we have taken the two sections to enable the experience section first, and then we have taken the submit method. So let's create the page for this employee wrap. Okay, So in this page we have included two output panels, one for experience and another for result. Okay, so let's preview this page. So let's give some random details. So when we click on each experience and then click on submit button, so the details block is displayed. Okay, so this block can be hidden or collapsed or expanded. Okay, so okay, so like this the details are displayed in another block. Okay, so here in this code the action support component is used. Okay, so the action support component here, the action support component is used. So it's used to add Ajax functionality to the component, and so that the user, when user click on it, so here the method enable experience section is called and turn the flag to true and re-render this output panel. So we have taken the output panel ID. Okay, so this one, so it re-rendered this panel. Okay, so in this way we use this wrapper class. So have taken the two examples and have taken the detailed explanation for these two examples, and these are the use cases, the main use cases of this wrapper class. So I'm taking leave for today, and let's see another topics in the next video. See you guys. Thank you.